shot by a lightning. And Mommy, look at the words. Mommy, look. If you look at the word on the big letters,
They're called hieroglyphs.
what's that?
That's the language in the Egyptians.
And look.
Hieroglyphics?